Migao mar somo oyango ni jopuonjre mag grade mar 9 pod biro mana dong' e sikund magi ma primary higa manyien. Maendi ne oyangi kod jagoro mongirore Migao mar somo Belio Kipsang mano oyango ni ikruok oseketi motelo ne rwako jopuonjrego e grade mar 9. Gichano gero klese 16,000 ma ibiro tigo e junior school kod buge moko ma ibiro chan chwalo ne gi e kind dwe mar 8 mar iko jopuonjre ne penj maduong' mar grade mar 9.
This year we have 3.4 billion shillings that government has set aside for putting up classrooms. Another 9 billion shillings will be available to put up another 9,000 classrooms. And by the end of the year, if all systems go well, then we should be having the 16,000 classrooms that we require to accommodate our junior school. We should not look at a short-term solution to deal with the long-term challenges that we are dealing with in terms of implementation of our CBC. Because they will, next year in 2026, we shall have grade 10. So really there might not be empty classrooms. It will only that it is within the transition time, but we are optimizing on those resources.